As soon as Austin got home from work, we packed up the camper and headed to Montana. We arrived to our camping spot in the Lolo National Forest around 10 o'clock p.m.
What? Are you excited? Oh, you are excited? You are? Why? What is it?
That's a nice spot.
Cozy up in our new quilt. Got a good spot. We can hear the creek.
It's level.
It's a level.
Creek side.
Creek side.
In Montana.
What's this road called again?
Highway 135.
Highway 135.
This is
Slate Creek?
Seagull Creek.
Seagull Creek. It's a good road. Good spots.
Should sleep well.
Good night.
Since we pulled into our camping spot so late at night, we were really excited to get up early in the morning and check out our surroundings.
Oh my gosh, look at all the thimbleberries. Nice job, Austin.
Every year in July, Austin's whole family gets together and meets in Swan Lake, Montana. So that's where we're headed today, but first we're gonna stop in Plains, Montana to do a bike ride.
What's the name of this trail?
Haas.
Haas.
Or the Haas.
The Haas.
Maybe half mile.
Not very far. Yet. Others, are you being crazy? Yeah, mostly downhill though.
I mean, it is 9 o'clock.
Yeah, then we can get some food. Ollie, nice healing, buddy. Ollie,
Yeah, you did so
nice
good.
healing.
So good, boy.
Awesome. Oh.
Sit. Speak. Speak.
Where's your voice? Speak. Speak. You can do it. Come on. Get it out. Come on.
Come on.
You're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, dude. Ollie, come here. There you are. Where's Mom?
Yeah.
Drop.
I would describe these mountain biking trails as very natural. I don't think they get maintained very often, so there's lots of grass and pine cones.
Right turn.
And it's kind of just
Quick
along
ride.
a hillside. So definitely different than what we're used to riding, but still very beautiful just being out
This
in the
way, dude,
mountains of
this
Montana.
way. Hoo-doo! Woohoo! There she is.